This is an incredible honor for me. Got deep roots in the Navy, starting in Great Britain with my great-great-grandfather who was knighted for his work on naval vessels. So to be the sponsor of the Submarine Montana is the honor of a lifetime. This is an incredible honor for the state of Montana. You know, being a state that's not on the coast, but knowing that this vessel will be keeping the United States safe means the world to the citizens of Montana and the citizens of the whole Pacific Northwest.
The keeling of a U.S. ship is a very, very old tradition dating back to the late 1700s. It's the first of three really big ceremonies in the life of a ship. The keeling being the first, and then the christening, and then of course the commissioning. So this is a wonderful milestone for us for the 21st boat of the Virginia class program. The future is very bright for Virginia class. We have 4,000 of our about 23,000 shipbuilders here at Newport News who work on the Virginia class program with our partner Electric Boat in Connecticut and in Rhode Island. The program is going very well, and we're very, very proud and pleased to be able to deliver this capability and these assets to the Navy so that the Navy can support the missions that it needs.
So this is the first of three big milestones, as mentioned before, and the first one that we get to participate in. So for the crew, it's very exciting. Right now, we're a relatively small crew. We're only about 54 sailors on board, but before we reach our final milestone, we'll be in the upwards of 135. So for the contingent that's here to participate in this first big ceremony for the ship is a big day for us.